Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are you ready to kickstart your journey towards a healthier you? Today, we're sharing the ultimate detox smoothie recipe that not only tastes amazing, but also helps you achieve a flat stomach naturally. Let's dive right in. First, let's gather our powerhouse ingredients. 1 cup of spinach, packed with fiber and essential nutrients to aid digestion. Half a medium cucumber hydrates and reduces bloating. 1 medium green apple adds natural sweetness and is rich in antioxidants. 1-inch piece of ginger boosts metabolism and soothes the digestive system. Half lemon juice detoxifies and enhances flavor. Half a cup of pineapple contains bromelain to help break down proteins. A handful of mint leaves freshens breath and aids digestion. 1 tablespoon chia seeds provides omega-3s and keeps you feeling full. And finally, 1 cup coconut water hydrates and adds a tropical twist. All these ingredients are natural and easily available. Start by thoroughly washing all your fruits and veggies. Chop the spinach, cucumber, green apple, pineapple and ginger into smaller pieces to make blending easier. Now, let's add everything to the blender. Spinach goes in first. Add cucumber, green apple and pineapple. Toss in the ginger and mint leaves. Sprinkle chia seeds on top. Squeeze in the lemon juice. Pour in coconut water for that hydrating effect. Ready to blend? Blend on high speed until everything is smooth and creamy. This should take about 1 to 2 minutes. Pour your detox smoothie into a glass. Garnish with a mint leaf and a slice of lemon. Looks refreshing, doesn't it? This smoothie is not just delicious. It's a nutritional powerhouse. Spinach aids in digestion and is low in calories. Cucumber helps reduce bloating. Ginger boosts metabolism. Chia seeds keep you feeling full longer. Lemon and pineapple work together to detoxify your body, all contributing to a flatter stomach and better overall health. By incorporating this smoothie into your daily routine, you're taking a significant step towards achieving your health goals. Remember, consistency is key. Take note that this smoothie is intended to support a healthy lifestyle and is not a substitute for professional medical advice. Consult a healthcare provider before making significant dietary changes, especially if you have health conditions. If you enjoyed this recipe, give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Hit the bell icon to stay notified.